Yeah, venture to a large extent is about network and relationship building. And so I would say that the softer skills probably are where you would probably over-index, and therefore your ability to build relationships and trust with founders, with co-investors is paramount. And so I would say that those are probably the top skills. So, sort of building a really robust network, strong relationships, and all of those can be fed into through your soft skills. Negotiation skills are, again, huge. So that is super important because you'll be negotiating with the entrepreneurs, you'll be negotiating with your investment committee, you're negotiating in across a board meeting setting. So that's very important, and equally sales, because you're selling the entrepreneur, the firm that you're representing, or the fund that you're representing. You're selling the entrepreneur yourself as an investor that they should take money from, or an investor that potentially could go on their board. And so that sales piece is important. And internally, you're also selling because a lot of funds have a nice investment committee set up. And therefore, when you're really excited about an investment opportunity, you have to take that back to the investment committee, which would be other team members and partners who you also have to bring up that sort of like line of conviction. And so it also requires really, really strong sales skills. I think ability to learn is also important because venture has long feedback cycles. It takes between 7 to 10 years to see how your investments are doing, whether they've done well or whether they haven't done well. And venture is very early stage and inherently very risky, and businesses can fail for a lot of reasons. And a lot of reasons, therefore, your ability to understand why your investments did well or struggled and where the issues were is really great, because that makes you then a great investor going forward. It refines your life cycle and understanding. And that's what venture more generally is. It is an apprenticeship. People come from varying different backgrounds and learn about investing as they go on to invest and see how these companies are doing.